Okay, in this question, I've already multiplied by lowest common denominator and come up with this expression. So now to simplify that, I can see on the bottom I can do a difference or a sum of cubes. On the top, though, the way I can factor that is I'm looking for a common factor. Let me just rewrite it. So a squared b cubed plus a cubed b squared. So I want to see what a term that'll divide evenly into both of those. Okay, I'll put my b cubed plus a cubed down at the bottom. And so I'm just doing a common factor. So a common factor, when I look, this one's got two a's, this one's got three. So at most I can take out 2. Okay, and then this one has 3 b's, this one has 2. So at most I can take out 2 b's. Okay, so if I divide this by a squared b squared, these cancel, 2 of these b's cancel one of those, so that's just one left with 1 b. And then if I divide this by a squared b squared, and that's what it means with taking out a common factor, the b squared cancels, and then these 2 a's cancel out 2 of these to leave with 1. So I have an a over b cubed plus a cubed. And then you factor that and you can cancel a little bit. Anyway, that's how you get the a squared b squared.